Welcome to Wordscience. Today, we are going to learn about the word above. Let's discover what it means together. The word above means higher than something. It shows us that one thing is at a greater height than another thing. When we say above, we are talking about position. Something is above when it's up higher. It's a simple way to describe where things are. Look up. The sky is above us. Every day, when we look up, we see the beautiful sky above our heads. Birds fly above the trees. They soar high in the air, moving freely above the treetops and buildings below them. Every word has an opposite. The opposite of above is below. Above means higher, and below means lower. They're like two sides of the same coin. We use above in many phrases. Above and beyond means doing more than expected. Above all means most importantly. These phrases make our language rich and interesting. We use this word every day. The clock is above the door. The airplane flies above the clouds. Look above the shelf. It's everywhere around us. Here's something interesting. The word above comes from Old English. People have been using this word for hundreds of years to describe height and position. Let's practice together. The picture is above the sofa. Clouds are above the mountains. The lamp hangs above the table. Now you try making your own sentences. Thank you for learning with Wordscience. Remember, learning new words is fun and easy. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting word lessons. See you next time.